1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna give you the best dream. Hey, yeah. What else can do? Gonna give you the best dream, the best. I'm gonna give you the best green, the best greens. I'm gonna give you the best greens. I'm gonna give you the best green, the best. I'm gonna give you the best green. You got that dark green love. Yes. You got that summer sweet. I got the greenest thumb. I promise when you come, we gon' be planting seeds. Planting seeds, baby, 'cause I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I'll pick the biggest leaf. I'm gonna give you the biggest leaf. I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I need you healthy for me, healthy for me. I wanna keep you here for 100 years. I wanna run through trees. I want you running right in front of me. Let's go and play with dirt. Let's go and save the earth. Ooh, this love is so alive, 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 alive. Tomatoes big and full, baby. My basil grows like a weed, grows like wheat, honey. Got sage and I got thyme. The sun makes you look so fine. So girl, come and water with me, yeah. Water with me, 'cause I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I'll pick the biggest leaf, the biggest leaf. I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I need you healthy for me, healthy for me. Looking in your eyes makes me feel alive. 'Cause before you came, I was just a seed trying to germinate. Let's grow above the dirt. Let's grow above the hurt. Ooh, this love is so alive, 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 alive. Breathe in the freshest air. Breathe it in. Bathe in the sweet sunlight. Swim in it. Ooh, honey, get you some. I promise when you come, my garden gives you life. Gives you life, babe, 'cause I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I'll pick the biggest leaves, the biggest leaves. I'm going to give you the best greens in my garden. I need you healthy for me, healthy for me. I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I'll pick the biggest leaves. I'm gonna give you the biggest leaves. I'm gonna give you the best greens in my garden. I need you healthy for me. I'm gonna give you healthy.